What's up, y'all? It's Tiara. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back, period. And that means you be watching me, you know what I'm saying? I really appreciate those who be watching me and like my videos and commenting and stuff like that. I just hit 2K the other day. Like I said in my last video, on the road to 10K. The goal is definitely bigger than that, but like just for like a goal right now, 10K. We don't say 10K. And I know we could do that, definitely. Especially if I post more, we're in there.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what's happening? What's happening?
So today, I'm just gonna be reapplying my wig because it's definitely coming up, and I feel like y'all would want to see that, you know? Like, would y'all want to see that? Like me doing my hair? Yeah, this hair is from Ruiyu. I'm really not sure how to pronounce it, but this is what it looks like. This is the box it came in. Okay. First of all, it took forever to get here. I'm gonna just say that first. I got it like last week, but I had ordered it like 4 weeks ago, like 4 weeks before it had came, basically. And I just felt like that was so long because it told me that it was on the way, like FedEx, and then it just stopped and it said processing for like 3 more weeks. So I don't know what that was about. Maybe it has something to do with what is going on right now, but that was just super annoying. And I emailed them twice too, and they didn't send me like no response. Like they just left me hanging. They could have said something, but they didn't. So I was really annoyed with that, but it's okay. Cause it came. This is a 20-inch water wave lace front wig. Came with 2 wig caps. So I used one. It came with an elastic band, some little lashes that I will not be wearing. If somebody wants these, let me know. And this makeup brush. So yeah, that's everything that came in the box. It also came pre-plucked. That's the part that I was most excited about because I didn't have to do anything. I plucked a little bit anyway, just because I always do some plucking on the hair that I get, but I shouldn't have done that. So I'm gonna take my scarf off so y'all can see what we really working with under here. And I don't even want to show y'all. Ah! No, I'm just playing. I've definitely came on camera looking way worse than this. I'm about to take this wig off, and I like to use regular alcohol on a towel. And I just pat the lace. A few things about when I first applied it. I might actually put the few clips that I do have of me applying it the first time in this video, but I had stopped recording because I just felt like I was messing up. When I bleached the knots of this hair, I actually bleached some of the hair, some of the roots in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I was like, okay, that's strike 1. I already did not mean to do that. So, okay. When I was applying it, I guess I was trying to do it real quick, real fast, and not do it my regular way. And I just tried to put the whole wig on, like, instead of doing it in sections. Like, you know how you're supposed to do it in, like, you can do the top first and then you do the sides. No, I put the whole thing on there just like that and thought I could just go, like, no. So it kind of had like the crinkling right there in the front. That is one of my pet peeves. On top of that, I used Got To Be Glue, gel, and spray, which I never do. But I'm not blaming it on that because as you can see, my lace is very much still intact. It just seemed easier. Like, look at this. It do not want to come up. Even my ghost bond comes up a little bit faster than this, but ghost bond be taking out your edges, or it be trying to. And I don't like that. I just decided to try something different because I definitely still want my edges. Ooh. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna go wash this wig real quick and get back to y'all. It's been a few hours actually. I don't know why I be taking breaks in the middle of my videos, but yeah, I washed the hair and I conditioned it. I let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes and then I rinsed it out. I'm really trying to figure out if I should keep this cap on. Like, it's not really helping or taking away anything, but I never just kept it on before. That's really just me being lazy and not wanting to take it off. All right, so I took the other cap off. So I think y'all can see. Wow, that looks really bad on camera. But you know what? It's okay, cause you live and you learn. I'm gonna use this Got to Be glue again. And I need my blow dryer. Get some of this glue off my forehead when I'm finished, but this is what we have so far. Actually, I think I'm gonna do a side part this time. I really be finessing these wigs, that's all I'm gonna say. Like, finessing. Okay, so So I just used this Lotta Body mousse. I'm pretty sure I've showed this before, but that's the only mousse I use for real. Alright y'all, so I think I'm done tweaking this hair. Excuse you. Badass dog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. He's so disrespectful. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for more content. Period.